Hello, this is Trixie, and she is a 12-week-old, very lively Papillon puppy, and she is at the stage where she's ready to start some training. She's been introduced to her crate somewhat, but she's not a big fan of her crate, so we're going to work on, she just stole out of my bait bag, we're going to work on some basic marker training with her and teaching her to understand that the crate is a good, safe place to be when people are here or when people aren't here or whenever she needs to have space of her own. So we're going to work on, I've got my clicker, and you can use the word yes or any other word of your choosing for marker training if you like. For her, you might hear me use a combination of the clicker and the word yes. When I do that, I make sure that I click and say yes at the same time. Everyone's personal training program is different. I don't always have my clicker in my hand, so I like my dogs to respond to the words yes or a clicker, just so I can use that reward all the time. She's going to chew at my arm here a little bit. So before we get started here, I'm going to stand up just so she can't reach my treat bag. And I'm going to load some treats in my hand, and I have some high reward treats. This is just a dog sausage log that's cut up into little pieces. As you can see, she's really interested in that. So I'm going to introduce the marker when she's down. Yes. Just so she starts to understand that the click or the word yes means something. It means she's going to get a reward when she does something that I want. She doesn't have to do anything specific, and I'm not even going to train a command at this point. I'm just going to use the marker that she knows. Yes. Click and mark at the same time. Good girl. Good girl. I'll play with her a little bit. See if I can get her to follow me. Yes. And she sat and was happy to be patient and not jump all over me. Even though she's a toy breed dog, I still don't want her to be in the habit of jumping, yes, on me. I have two little kids, and they're kind of toy breeds at their age. Good girl. So I want her to know that she just can't climb all over people. So we're going to mark that behavior. Good girl. Free. And when she's not needing to be trained anymore, I'm going to give her a release command. Some people use okay. It can be any word you want. I've chosen the word free because it's not a word that's used as frequently as okay is, just in random conversation. So when she doesn't have to be in training mode anymore, I'm going to say free. And that means all bets are off and she can do whatever she wants and just be a dog. Okay, good girl, good girl. Let me see if I can get her into the crate. And then click, because she got her front feet in there. Girl. And I'm going to give her the treat when she stops trying to eat it out of my hand so that I don't teach her to bite me. And it teaches a little bit of patience. With my big dogs, I have German Shepherds, and when they're nosing around for a treat as puppies, their teeth can sometimes swallow my whole hand. So for me, this is a really important one, that they're not biting at me to get the treat. Free! Okay, girl, come out. Come on. Come here. Now she wants to be in her crate so much because she knows there's a reward there. Come on, Trixie. Come. 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 Trixie. This is where we're getting a little bit confused. Because she goes, I know I'm supposed to be in my crate. That's in my crate. That's where I get a treat. But I also know I'm supposed to come. So which is it? Because she doesn't know where to come. Come. Yes. Good girl. And because I have taught a foundation of come, I can use a command for that at this point. Because she does know the word come. Yes. Good girl. Good girl. Free. Play. Okay. And I clicked because she was heading straight towards that crate. Wait till she's inside. And you'll notice my crate has a divider in it. Good girl. Free! A divider in it for while she's still small. I don't want my crate oversized, so she has a bathroom and a sleeping area, which puppies will often do. Good girl. She didn't jump all over me. That was good. Good girl. Now with some dogs, rewarding them with a pet is going to excite them too much, and I overexcited her a little bit there.